Okay, hi everybody. Today we're going to be making our very own cardboard loom so that you can do weaving. So the things that you'll need for this is a thick piece of cardboard, not thin like a cereal packet but nice and thick so it's strong, some sticky tape, ruler, grey lead pencil, marker, scissors and your string. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is along here you're going to measure down about 1 centimetre, just mark that lightly, and then roll straight across with your marker on both sides. And that's our little guideline to know where we don't want to cut past. So 1 centimetre. And done. Okay, once we've done that, we're going to rule from the 0, and make sure that 0 is lined up with the edge, and just put a little marker on each of the centimetres. So 1 centimetre gaps all the way along on both edges. Holding our ruler nice and still. Then you're going to get your scissors. With your scissors, I'm going to cut along the line that you've marked every centimetre down to that baseline. And these are going to become the little notches on your loom to put your string through. Flip it over. We put our name on, as always, in the back. Okay, and then you can grab your string. And don't cut your string off the ball because you might not know straight away how much you need. So what you can do here is I like to just get my sticky tape, just rip a piece and just tape it on just to secure it while you're getting the yarn on. And then it's going to go through that notch like that and then all the way down to the matching notch and just slot it in there. And then you're going to flip it over on the back. You're going to find the next notch and wedge the string in there, flip it over, put it in the corresponding notch, flip it over, next notch, and keep on going until you get to the end. Now it's important that you hold your string quite tight. You want these to be really tight. You don't want them to be floppy. Okay, so we'll go through that all the way to the end. When you get to the end, leave a nice long tail, cut it off, and then you can tie your two ends together. So get rid of that sticky tape and just tie a knot, double knot. Get a friend to help you if need be. If that's a bit too tricky for you, you can just use that sticky tape and stick both of the ends down. I'm going to pop that on there just to secure it in, and we're good to go.